Imagine a landscape dominated by endless sand, where winds whip across barren plains and entire communities are threatened by the encroaching desert. This is the reality for millions in northern China, a region locked in a centuries-old battle against desertification. But a massive, ambitious project is underway, a great green wall to reclaim this land. This isn't just one isolated desert. We're talking about a vast expanse covering nearly 18% of China's landmass. The infamous Gobi, the shifting sands of the Taklamakan, the rapidly expanding Tenja. These deserts and arid lands stretch across the three north region: northeast, north, and northwest China. For generations, these deserts have been expanding, fueled by wind erosion, overgrazing, and climate change. The consequences are devastating. Dust storms, sometimes so severe they reach Korea and Japan, choke cities and disrupt daily life. Farmland is swallowed by the sand, forcing communities to abandon their homes. This environmental crisis demanded a large-scale solution. In 1978, China launched the Three North Shelter Forest Program, a monumental undertaking to build a green wall of trees and vegetation. The goal: to halt the desert's advance, reduce soil erosion, and create a more sustainable future. This isn't just a symbolic gesture, it's a massive feat of ecological engineering. Millions of trees have been planted, creating strategically placed shelter belts. Rows of trees acting as natural windbreaks. These barriers slow down the wind, preventing it from carrying away valuable topsoil. But planting just any tree won't do. Scientists carefully select drought-resistant and salt-tolerant species that can thrive in these harsh conditions. Poplar, willow, and various shrubs are common choices, each playing a vital role in stabilizing the land. Beyond planting trees, innovative techniques are used to stabilize the sand itself. Straw checkerboards create grids that trap sand and prevent it from shifting. Gravel mulching and clay barriers further reinforce the ground, giving new vegetation a chance to take root. Water, a precious resource in these arid regions, is managed with utmost care. Drip irrigation delivers water directly to plant roots, minimizing waste. Rainwater harvesting systems collect and store precious rainfall. Sustainable agriculture and controlled grazing practices ensure the land is used responsibly. The results are undeniable. Millions of hectares have been reclaimed, and dust storm frequency has decreased in many areas. Local communities are seeing the benefits, with improved agricultural yields and new economic opportunities. But this battle is far from over. The harsh climate, water scarcity, and the sheer scale of the desert present ongoing challenges. Early efforts focused on monoculture plantations, which proved vulnerable to pests and disease. Today, the project is evolving. There's a greater emphasis on biodiversity, incorporating a wider variety of plants to create more resilient ecosystems. Crucially, local communities are at the heart of this effort, sharing their traditional knowledge and actively participating in land management. China's Great Green Wall is a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. It's a long-term commitment, a battle fought tree by tree, technique by technique. While challenges remain, this ambitious project offers hope for a greener future. Not just for China, but for the world, demonstrating the power of human action in the face of environmental adversity.